こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Guess what this sound is about? Never, 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 never. Never, never is the sound of stickiness, slimy, sticky sound, and it's a sound of natto. Natto is a fermented soybean, and it's a very nutritious superfood and Japanese people's favorite daily food. We eat natto almost every day in Japan. And American people say an apple a day keeps doctor away. For Japanese people, a package of natto keeps doctor away. So it's very healthy, and as I mentioned, it's fermented soybean. So it has a probiotic and enzymes, and it contributes to heart health, intestinal health, and strong bone and immune system, boost the immune system. So, but some people don't like stickiness, slippery texture. But for Japanese, we love that sticky, slimy flavor. For example, yamaimo, mountain potato, or moroheya, okra, or mekabutoro. We love that sticky, slimy flavor. So today I'm gonna introduce 3 dishes using natto. And before we talk about the dishes, natto, the best way to eat natto is not add the heat. Eat as it is, just mix very well and then eat as it is, or over the rice. And when you add heat or cook, nutrition level goes a little bit down. It's still nutritious, but not as good as cold one. And I use natto for all kinds of dishes. You can put in a miso soup, mix with egg, and you can put in miso soup, or you put over tofu instead of soy sauce. You can add natto. So you can use natto as dressing too, and you can add to soba, udon, all kinds of way. And today, 3 dishes. First, Natto Wonton. It's a good appetizer. It's very simple. I don't have recipe because it's too simple. Add some natto, some kimchi, and some cream cheese, cream cheese, and wrap with a wonton skin and deep fry, and it becomes very delicious appetizer. And second one is natto oyaki. Oyaki is like a pancake, and mix natto with a grated potato, a little bit of cornstarch, and it becomes when you make a pancake with that, it's very interesting texture. It's like a little kind of like a mochi, like a mochi. And third one is a bukkake udon. Bukkake udon is a cold udon, and topping, you can add any topping. And for bukkake udon, bukkakeru is like to throw in anything. Bukkake udon, I'm gonna add natto to the soba soup, and I'm using this. This is a soba tsuyu base. This is very convenient. Sometimes I make a soup from scratch, but normally I use this because it's so convenient. And in the package, it says that how to dilute. So please check the package. Today I'm using 3 times concentrated. So 1 portion of water, 3 portions of water and 1 portion of soba base, and mix and use as a soup. And then for the soup, I add natto, and I add this one canned sardine, miso flavor. And you can use macro too, macro or sardines. Today's soup is a soba tsuyu base, natto, and fish, sardine mixed together and place over cold udon. It tastes amazing. So let's see how to prepare those 3 natto dishes. And if you have a suggestion of how to use natto your way, please write it down at the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. My subscriber almost getting to 1,000. So your one click is so important to me. To make natto wonton, you need 1 package of natto, kimchi, some kimchi, wonton skin, and cream cheese, whipped cream cheese. First, add the sauce that comes with a natto pack and mustard. This is mustard, and mix very well. For kimchi, I'm gonna cut it into small pieces. Using knife, cut into small pieces. And add into the natto bowl. And mix very well. And now we're gonna put it together. So for over the wonton skin, place some water. You can use your finger and place some water. It works as a glue. And then add natto mixture and some cream cheese. And wrap around and twist at the end. Twist the top so that it won't come out when you are deep frying. And repeat the process. And heat the cooking oil over medium heat. Deep fry the wonton ball until it becomes golden brown. The skin becomes golden brown and nice and crunchy. And natto wonton is ready to serve. My kids' favorite. And next one is natto oyaki, natto pancake, potato natto pancake. To make natto oyaki, you need 1 potato, 1 package of natto, some chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and some roasted seaweed if you have, it's optional, and some shredded cheese. I chose the mozzarella cheese. First, peel the potato and grate the potato. In a large bowl, place the natto. Actually, mix natto with a sauce. Sauce comes with natto package, and add mustard. And mix very well. Add grated potato, add chopped green onion, add roasted seaweed. Roasted seaweed optional, or any kind of seaweed is good. And add some shredded cheese, maybe quarter cup of shredded cheese and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix very well. And add some salt too. Heat the fry pan and spread some cooking oil over the medium heat. We're gonna bake the natto oyaki or small pancake. And you can cook about 4 minutes each side. And as you can see, it gets a nice golden brown color. And once both sides are baked to the golden brown color, natto oyaki is ready to serve. And you can drizzle some soy sauce over it. This natto oyaki goes well with any kind of alcohol, especially beer. And our last natto menu is bukkake udon, throwing anything in the cold udon. So you need 1 package of natto and half can of canned sardine, and it's miso flavor, cooked with miso. This one very tasty as it is. And 1 package of frozen udon. And for sauce, soup, you use a soba tsuyu base. It's 3 times concentrated, so we need a 1/3 cup of soba tsuyu base. And 1 cup of water. And for topping, it's all optional. I chose boiled egg, tomato, and chopped onion. So we're gonna prepare a soup first. Soup or sauce first. Add mustard and sauce attached to the natto and mix very well. Add a cup of water and 1/3 cup of soba tsuyu base. And mix very well. And add some half of the canned sardine. This one tastes very good. You can put over rice too. You can add some sauce too. And kind of crush the sardine in the soup. For udon, please check the instruction in the package. For mine, bring the water to the boil and then add the frozen udon, cook for 2 minutes and rinse and wash with cold water and drain, and udon is ready. Add cooked udon, cold udon into the soup and toss. Mix well. And now it's time to decorate. So over the bowl, large bowl, Place udon and sauce. And for topping, I add the soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onion, baby tomato, and again, topping is optional. You can add anything you like. Kimchi is good, and add some roasted seaweed, and bukkake udon, natto udon is ready to serve. This is my summertime favorite udon. Thank you for watching.